it's Joe. Welcome back to the Penguin Palace YouTube channel. Today's project, I'm going to be using the Dots Meet Dashes standalone dies, the large and small. Also, There's No One Like You stamp set, the Swedish Truck stamp set, and also the Hot Mama stamp set, as well as the coordinating Penguin Perfect cuts. So let's get started with the coloring. So I got the largest die from the Dots Meet Dashes die set, and I cut some craft cardstock. Then I went ahead and used the Distress Oxide ink in Walnut Stain, and then I went and inked all the edges because the middle part is going to be covered. And then I took two dies, one from the large size and one from the small size in the Dots Meet Dashes dies, and I created this frame using the second to the largest die. I cut some white cardstock and also some acetate to create the front window of the shaker card. Then I go ahead and just apply some liquid glue and attach the acetate sheet to the frame. And then after that, I'll go ahead and add some foam adhesive tape to create the shaker well. So here you can see I did a little wall using the foam adhesive, and then I have some coffee themed sprinkles. I have some coffee beans there, and then some chocolate brown sprinkles from Cat Scrappiness. And then here I added the front window of the shaker frame and sealed that off. Here are the cute little images that I colored and cut out with the coordinating Penguin Perfect cuts. And then I go ahead and take the cups from the Hot Mama stamp set and apply those to the hands on those character images from the Swedish Truck stamp set. And then also, I didn't show it in the video, but there are some steam images for the coffee or teacups from There's No One Like You stamp set, and I went ahead and cut those out. I cut 2 of them out, and then this second image I kind of trimmed it off so that it would fit next to the girl and that it wouldn't cover up the other smoke image. So I went ahead and applied those with liquid adhesive, and then the sentiment I used is "You've been the best friend." And then I only colored 1 image in the coloring portion, but I went ahead and colored 2 more so that I'd have 3 total. And then I go ahead and apply those to the card. And to finish off the card, I went ahead and applied 3 more of those chocolate circles on the top right hand corner. So that is my card for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this card, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.